Programming Language and Design Concepts, Group Project 2010, and our group members are Akalanka, Mansoor, Kamal and Chatur. Our project gives the idea about common features of a mobile phone and usage of them in several software platforms. In this video presentation, we are considering about SMS, Bluetooth, infrared and PC connectivity of a mobile phones. Our target mobile operating systems are Symbian operating system, Windows Mobile operating system and Android operating system. Now we shall discuss about the mobile operating systems and their programming languages. Symbian OS uses C++, Android uses Java and the Windows Mobile uses Windows Mobile Edition. Symbian OS is an operating system designed for mobile devices and smartphones with associated libraries, user interface, frameworks and reference implementation of common tools originally developed by Symbian Limited. It was a descendant of Cyan's EPOC and run exclusively on ARM processors, although an unreleased x86 port existed. Windows Mobile is a compact mobile operating system developed by Microsoft and designed for use in smartphones and mobile devices. The current version is called Windows Mobile 6.5. It is based on the Windows CE 5.2 kernel. The features of a suite of basic applications developed using the Microsoft Windows API. It is designed to be somewhat similar to desktop version of Windows, feature-wise and aesthetically. Additionally, third-party software development is available for Windows Mobile and software can be purchased via the Windows Marketplace for mobile. Android is a mobile operating system that uses a modified version of the Linux kernel. It was initially developed by Android Incorporation, a firm later purchased by Google, and lately by the Open Handset Alliance. It allows developers to write manage code in the Java language, controlling the device via Google developed Java libraries. SMS. Short Message Service is the communication service component of the GSM mobile communication system, using standardized communication protocols that allow the exchange of the short text messages between mobile phone devices. SMS text messaging is the most widely used data application in the world, with 2.4 billion active users. The Symbian platform provides the messaging utilities APIs, which allows to send and receive messages. The purpose of the message send UI API is to offer a method to easily create and send messages via available services. These services are device dependent but will normally include SMS, MMS, email, Bluetooth and infrared.
The available messaging services depend on the device and the nature of the messaging infrastructure. In here, you can see mobile device connected to a SMS, MMS or email sent to service provider. For sending or receiving messages, the mobile device needs to have a connection to the mobile network and the server components that handle the messages. Information required for initializing connection is typically contained in access points, which are stored on the device. Messaging services on the Symbian platform are provided by the messaging framework, which uses message type modules. The configuration information for initializing connection in a mobile device is stored in database on the device. Each entry in the database is called an access point. The term Internet access point is also used. The access point identifies the physical connection type and the associated parameters such as an address for the connection and other general settings such as username and password. Devices often contain multiple access points for different services and from different providers. There are several methods to send message to another device. In any case, you need to create instance of SendUI to enable your application to use the functionality of the SendUI API. When you use the SendUI API, it automatically opens a message editor. CSendUI offers send pop-up list and message creation and sending services. It can be used to display send list query and to create and send message via available services. Depending on your requirements, use one of the following methods to send you a message. Show query and send L. This presents a list of available services to the mobile device user. Selection of a service launches the appropriate message editor or send the message as appropriate. Create and send message L. This sends the message contained in CM message data by a specific service. Depending on the selection service, this may launch a message editor which is populated with the content in CM message data to allow the mobile device user to edit the contents before sending the message. Show send query L. This displays a list of possible services and allow the mobile device